Just very briefly, the vision of the company is 3 words: connect the unconnected. That pretty much describe, again, we wrote that 3-4 years back, and we've not changed that. And when we say connect the unconnected, it's both people, places, and things. Where we are going next 5 years, everything will be measured, everything will be digitized, everything will be on internet. And especially getting on the internet, as you heard from all the speakers, it's almost like a human right. Those who don't have access to the internet, fundamentally, they don't have access to the information. And information provides knowledge. Knowledge provides opportunities. So for us, connecting the unconnected, out of 7 billion people in the world, is still about 4.5 billion are either unconnected or underconnected with the new applications which are emerging, just not enough speeds and feeds. So what Cambium does is basically 3 sets of products. I won't go into the details, but we connect the wireless long distance point to point on the left side there. So we connect like 2 big buildings, and we can connect those buildings with very high speed links wirelessly without digging a trench. We can go up to 240 kilometers line of sight. So there are many, many installations in the world where Cambium Networks connects 2 distant points with high-speed link. If you go to YouTube and you type Cambium Networks Pikes Peak, we put that point-to-point product between Pikes Peak, Colorado, and Shine Mountain, Wyoming. That's a 245-kilometer link, and providing voice and video across there. And then we distribute that bandwidth capacity between 2 points with our point-to-multipoint products. In fact, we are using this product in the installation on the church and the Rainbow Restaurant. And then Wi-Fi in any situation provide access to the user. So those are the kind of 3 key products. We are very proud of our partners, America-wide Broadband, and then Axis Communications for working with us, providing cameras and broadband access, for example. So appreciate their support. This is a very brief diagram what we have done. So we are in the church right now. So church is kind of the hub. I like the word hub. It's like it's the center of gravity where not only people converge, but you also have communications converging. Church is connected to the internet with a high-speed link of 150 megabit per second. And then Rainbow Restaurant also has a Wi-Fi where community comes in. By the way, we had a great breakfast at the Rainbow Restaurant this morning as we came. Good fries and omelet. So very, very good study network. Now, one of the key Cambium differentiation is that while we make our products affordable on a worldwide basis, we also make them reliable. So we make sure that our products are very high reliability. It's not providing cheap products and just bringing the cost down. We have kept very high quality in our products across the world. So Army, Navy, Air Force, they all use our products. Many base camps in Afghanistan, they use our products for internet connectivity. So I was very pleased to see that you served there, and many of our products actually serving in the field. Next shot, please. So very quickly, this is the Google shot. Restaurant there, church, access point location, the hotspot, the park hotspot. So we're hoping that this can expand more. As the usage increases, this can expand more, and this really becomes the community hub. Next chart, please. So when we look at the community, I think this was a very key point surged. Many of us are mentors to a lot of people, high schoolers, college kids. Without this kind of connectivity, we're not providing them the opportunity. There's significant digital divide. And actually, there's a significant digital divide in the world, not just in this community. But what becomes visible is that if someone doesn't have high-speed link, then whether it's job searching or homework or paying bills, any kind of opportunity, you just don't have access to knowledge. So we feel very proud in our company that when we talk to our employees, our engineers, that you're making a difference. It's not just making money, but it's actually making a difference. And that generates more passion in our engineers worldwide. That the job we do is not just a typical corporate job, but we are making a tremendous difference in people's lives. So with that, again, I want to thank all of you for your support. And Cambium will keep working with many communities here in Chicago And this is a replicatable model. This is something we can definitely take to other communities. So we're looking forward to more collaboration with many, many groups here. Thanks for joining.